guys, this is Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. There's a little change in the location today because I am in my kitchen and it's because आज का जो video है वो थोड़ा different होने वाला है. I wanted to try some recipes out. I have this book from SATVIC Movement. It's the soft copy version of that. बहुत दिनों से I was thinking that I'll try some recipes from this book. I thought why not just record it, and if I like this video I'll definitely post it. And if you're watching this video, I have already posted the video, so please let me know if you want to see more such videos, if you want me to try more recipes from this book or from any other YouTube channel. Please let me know because I love trying out new things and I'm very excited to try out these. So today for this video I was thinking to try out 3 recipes from this book. The first one that I'm going to try is, and by the way I'm very excited about this one because it's a smoothie and I love smoothies. It's banana date shake.
So right here we have all the ingredients for the smoothie. All we need is bananas, some dates, cinnamon powder and a coconut to make coconut milk. So as per the instructions in the book, frozen bananas works the best for the smoothie. So I just put some bananas in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. We also need some coconut milk for this recipe. I was thinking that making coconut milk would be a task, but it was quite an easy one. I just blended some coconut pieces with water and strained it using a nut milk bag. So finally, to make the smoothie, I put frozen bananas, coconut milk, some dates and chutki bhar cinnamon powder in the blender and blended it all. It turned out bomb, you guys. I honestly never had my doubts on it because when you mix everything nice, the output has to be nice, right? I even had it the next day.
The second recipe that I'm going to try is coconut quinoa bowl. It looks really nice in the photo here. I love this combination, by the way, coconut and quinoa. I make this a lot, but let's see what they have in the book, if it's any different.
Harder days make it easier to call you. I let myself give up. Slip on solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't wanna think of right now. I gave in to your sense of direction.
As you saw, I put quinoa to boil in some water on the side and took potatoes and peas in the kadhai with water, no oil. We can take any veggies we have on hand. I will put all these recipes in the description box below with the exact measurements because they have emphasized on using measuring cups while making these recipes. We need coconut milk for this recipe as well. In fact, we need it for all the 3 recipes that we are going to make today. I should have made a large batch, but honestly at this point I was enjoying making coconut milk.
I let myself give up. Slip on solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't wanna think of right now.
Once the veggies were all soft, we mix it with quinoa, ginger and chili. At this point they also asked to put thyme, but I did not have it. So yeah, I just covered the pan up for 5 minutes and that was it.
I gave in to your sense of direction and you just walked all over me. So I can accept your offer for protection, but I don't wanna think about that. There's no point.
As I said, I make this combination a lot, so this isn't a surprise for me. It's really good. If you haven't tried it, please do. It's amazing.
Trying to trace my old tracks. I always love you most before you leave these days.
तो बात कुछ ऐसी है कि अभी बज रहे 6 एंड यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज्यादा गर्मी है. आई स्टे इन नोएडा, सो द वेदर इज वेरी वेरी हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड इन हियर. प्लान मैंने ये किया था कि आई विल मेक ब्रोकली पोटैटो सूप, बट इतनी गर्मी में एकदम भी मन नहीं कर रहा खाने. हैड स्पेसिफिकली गॉट ब्रोकली फॉर दिस पर्पस, एंड बाकी चीजों के लिए मेरे पास इंग्रेडिएंट्स है नहीं, सो वील हैव टू मेक दिस सूप.
These days I find myself wishing you were here asleep, head on my knees. I'm writing songs.
Like last time, we have to put broccoli and potatoes in some water. Once it was a little soft, I took some broccoli out, which we'll be using for garnishing later. Putting some ginger here and then covered the lid for some time.
Songs about missing you, but it won't feel like I'm missing paradise. I'm missing paradise when I'm missing you.
Tell me you are an Indian without telling me you are an Indian. Every drop counts. Added some salt and pepper here. I also added some coconut milk at this point, which I forgot to record. This was literally winter on bowl. I will definitely make it more often.
I think back to that night in Arizona.
So I wanted to talk a little about this book. I really liked how they have structured the book. It does not only have recipes in it, it also have their food laws, the principles, the food combining technique, and they have also recommended timing for each recipe. So for example, they have recommended smoothies should be consumed for breakfast, and the grain recipes should be consumed for lunch or for dinner. So everything is in there, including the meal plan. So it's really a good one if you want to buy it. I hope that you guys enjoyed trying out these recipes with me. If you did, and if you want me to make more such videos, if you want me to make more such videos, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to make more. Until then, bye bye. See you next week.
Songs about missing you.